Welcome to the Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program. Watch this video to learn how to use your benefits on your Farmers Market card to buy local, fresh produce. Once you receive your activated card, you'll need to find an authorized Farmers Market location. Verify with the person or organization who provided you with your card which farmers markets accepts your benefits. Once you arrive at an authorized location, look for participating farm stalls with a sign that looks like this and says WIC and Senior Benefits Welcome. Remember, you can only use your card at authorized farmers markets, not at grocery stores or farm stands. If you don't see any farm stalls with signs posted, you can ask the farm employee or the market manager if they accept the Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program benefits. Once you find a farmer who accepts the Farmers Market card, you can begin shopping and select your produce. Remember, your benefits can only be used to purchase fresh produce like fruits, vegetables, cut herbs, mushrooms, and honey. Processed foods like dried fruits, nuts, olive oils, bread, and cheeses are not allowable purchases. After you made your selection, bring your purchase to the farm stall employee and let them know you'll be paying with your Farmers Market card. The employee will scan the QR code on your Farmers Market card using the camera on their smart device to transact your purchase. Once the purchase has been entered, you'll review and confirm the amount, and that's it. The transaction is complete. Your benefits will automatically be transferred to the farmer. Don't know your benefit balance? No problem. There are two ways to check your balance. First, you can call the Senior Helpline at 1-866-237-4814 and speak with the customer service representative. They will ask for your first and last name, your date of birth, state, which is California, and the program type, which is the Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program. Or, if you're at the farmer's market, you can ask a farm employee that accepts the farmer's market card to check your balance. You will just need to provide your card for them to scan. If your card is lost or stolen, you should report it immediately by calling 916-214-1381. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact the California Department of Food and Agriculture by calling 916-214-1381 or emailing grants@cdfa.ca.gov. Thank you for participating in the Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program.